Hi guys, CK Tamani speaking, back again with another video. So now this one is just simple, but it may be tricky if you don't wanna think about it in a normal way. Yeah? So now x plus 1 over x equals to 3. Prove that x squared plus 1 over x squared equals to 7. So now you can simply see the problem now where there's gonna be a trick is the fact that you're gonna look at x squared there and you look at this x and you have an idea what is it that is happening. But when we look at 3 and 7, they're not squares. But now, in maths, whenever something is in a form of maybe level 3 or level 4, whatever you have, use what you have. Trust me, most of the time it leads to the proper answer. Now, just by observing, you make mistakes, but if you can do it, let's check. If we have now x plus 1 over x, 1 over x, which is equals to 3. Let's look at this now. If we square both sides, we're going to have x plus 1 over x all squared, which is equals to 3 squared. Now we know that we're going to get 9 here. So here we get what? X plus 1 over x as well as x plus 1 over x, which is going to be equals to 9. That's where now the problem starts. Why? Simply because everyone is looking for the 7 there. They're expecting to see that 7. No, let's continue. X multiplied by x, we get our x squared. X multiplied by 1 over x, we get our x over x, plus this one multiplied by x, we get x over x again, plus 1 over x multiplied by 1 over x, we get 1 over x squared, which is equal to what? 9. Let's continue. We have now x squared, which is going to be plus x divided by x is 1 plus x divided by x is 1 plus 1 over x squared is equals to 9. So now you can simply see that these two, they're going to give us 2. So we have x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared is equals to 9. Can you see that we're already done? So when we take this to this other side, we get x squared plus 1 over x squared, which is equals to 9 minus 2. Then x squared plus 1 over x squared is equals to 9 minus 2 is 7. So now this is now proven to say x squared plus 1 over x squared simply equals to 7. This was simple, but just by observing, we end up making mistakes. Why? Simply because we are looking for a pattern. If we are seeing x this side and we're seeing x squared this side, and we are seeing 1 over x this side and 1 over